Now, I know that you could be watching this video because you are struggling as a trader. You could have been in the market for 6 months, 1 year, 3 months, 5 years, 7 years, or you actually gave up on trading. But please do not give up until you have watched this video. This video, what I wanted to talk to you guys about are the struggles that we go through as forex traders. Now, most of the people, just as myself, when we come into the market, the first month, second month, third month, could be maybe doing a demo account, or maybe you put in $100 and you start to make money. You make money, you lose money, you make money, you lose money. You get $100, you take it to 500, then you blow the entire amount and all that. You get to go through some of those challenges and the issues of this life that affect us as traders. You go through the emotional roller coaster that we all go through as new traders. And then you persist and continue thinking that, okay, yeah, after maybe this time I'm going to get profitable, and maybe I'll be like the guys I see on YouTube. I'll be like Matthew, I'll be like Sean Lee, I'll be like Oman Nat, I'll be like Kodio Forex, I'll be like Jeffrey Benson, I'll be like Happy Forex, or I'll be like any trader that you may think about, like Ref Wayne, like in Dimaze God Love. You look at some of the traders who are really successful and you admire them and you say, okay, after maybe 2 years, I'll be like that. But then as you go on and on and on, the same thing keeps on happening. You make money, you lose money, you make money, you lose money. And you are sometimes, or most of the time, you are at break even or in a loss, break even or in a loss. You think about quitting Forex and you think it is not for you. Well, I'm here to encourage you and tell you that everything in life that we do, everything that we start to do as a new hobby, a new skill, or a new job that we start to do, you don't immediately become a professional at it, or you don't become immediately good at whatever you do. It's like a footballer. There is nobody who is born a footballer. Yes, you could be born with the talent of being a footballer, but that talent needs to be nurtured. The first time you go and start playing or kicking the ball here and there, you're not perfect. You're not going to score all the time, okay? You'll go through challenges, you'll get injuries, okay? But the more you persist, the more the injuries you get, or the losses in this regard in the forex market, the losses you get will amplify the wins that you will get in the future, okay? Your successes that you get in the future. So you keep on practicing, just as the footballers, just as maybe you see Messi or Ronaldo, they didn't start from there. They all started from the mistakes that they made as they were in the junior teams, okay? It's like the Formula 1 drivers like Hamilton or like Max Verstappen. They didn't start from being champions. They all started from lower leagues, okay? The lower leagues, okay? So even with trading, the people you see who are successful, or you maybe look at my channel, sometimes I show you guys profits and all that, and you say you really need to become like that within 6 months or 1 year or what, but you're not getting there yet. You're not getting there yet, and you say, oh no, this is not for me. These guys, there's something they're doing that they're not telling us. Well, you need to master the skill. You need to gradually keep on learning and putting in the work and practicing. You can see some of these people who are successful and you think that's where they started from. That is not where they started from. All of them started from the losses. Go and see some of their stories. Go and look at maybe Ref Wayne's story. Look at Ndimaze God Love's story. Look at Jeffrey Benson. Look at Happy Forex. Look at Kodio. Most of these people have started from losing, and then they grew gradually and became what they have become, okay? I'll tell you one of my story. When I just started trading, the first month I started trading on IQ options. Actually, I didn't start from a real forex broker. I started from options broker, IQ options basically. And I'll tell you that the first amount of money I deposited was about $10. and I grew that $10 to $80. Okay, grew it to $80 through placing those option trading. Okay, you know what IQ option does, you guys. So I grew it to $80, and I was so excited. I thought that is how it's going to be. So I continued to trade it, and in just one day I blew it all. Okay, and I was so discouraged. But then I got more money. I kept on depositing money and losing it until I learned that IQ options is not available forex broker. That's when I got on to FX Pro, and then I started using MT4. So my losses at IQ options opened my eyes to something that is true, and that is you need to use a real forex broker in order for you to trade forex properly. Then I kept on losing, and I kept on learning. The losses were my learning curve. Okay, that is what I was paying to learn how to trade. And eventually, after some few months, after making losses here and there, being unprofitable for a full year, I started to realize some things that I was not doing right, and I started implementing some of the things that I was supposed to be doing, and I saw that changes were coming. I was becoming profitable up to now where I am now. So the losses and all that at IQ options and FX Pro and all that, over trading, over risking and all that, that is like practicing playing football and all that, getting the injuries and all that as you grow. So I was in the lower leagues by then, and now I have been promoted to the Premier Leagues. Okay, so it's the same thing. You have to play your game by practicing. You have to play your trades. Play your trading like you are a footballer who wants to become a professional. Keep on practicing, drawing lines on your charts, fundamental analysis, sentiment analysis. Try to do it until you become really good at all of those things, and it will become like second nature. Right now, if you tell Messi or Ronaldo to score or Verstappen to drive a F1 car, it's like second nature to them because they've done it over and over. So it's the same thing with trading. Do not give up trading. Keep on trading. Even if you're losing, keep on trading. But as you trade, learn from your mistakes. You keep on practicing, keep on trading. Hopefully at the end of the year, end of the 3 months, depending on how you take your lessons in, you could become a profitable trader, and you could then move on from a junior league of trading to a Premier League of trading. I hope you guys find value in this video. If you find value, leave a like, comment down below with what you're struggling with as far as forex trading is concerned. Comment down below and let us know, let us discuss, and also join the Telegram group that I have in the description. It is a free Telegram channel that I have put down in the description, where I share my trading ideas, and hopefully you guys will also make some profit as you learn how to trade. I am also going to make a paid channel very soon, where I'll be having Zoom sessions and maybe share chats with members who will be part of the VIP Signals channel. So I hope you guys find value in this. Find value, don't forget to support the channel, like, share and subscribe. Until next time,